Hello and welcome back. Hope you are all are good. One problem I was facing is how we can log in using our Microsoft account in Windows 11 and 10. For that, I was searching for quite some time, and at last I found a setting how we can do this. In order to do that, we will go into setting. Inside setting, we go into accounts, and inside account, we will go into sign in option. And here we have ways to sign in and additional setting. In additional setting, you will turn off this first setting. For improved security, only allow Windows Hello sign in for Microsoft account on this device. You need to turn this one off, then you will be able to see a password as your ways to sign in. Otherwise, if this setting is enabled, there will be no field for password. So once this thing is done, I'm gonna open the notepad and I will tell you how we can how we put a username and password. There is a way of doing that. For that, what wherever you require your username to be put or inserted, you will write Microsoft account forward slash and then your email address, and the password will be your password for that email address, whatever it is. So this is, I faced this problem in SSAS cube where I required to give a service and administrative access to perform the analysis services. Uh, but this can be used anywhere. This is the proper way of doing using a Microsoft account. There is a workaround. I have uploaded it my YouTube channel. Let us fear for all. So, but now we have found this, so I think we don't need the workaround. Other thing is, if you don't know how you will what is your username, you can see it inside the setting when you open a setting app. Otherwise, you will open a task manager. In task manager in users, you will see your username. That will be your email from for the Microsoft account for Windows on which you have logged. That's all. Hope this solves the problem of many. Thank you very much. Hope to see you soon.